Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today, I am actually starting off my trip here at Olympic National Park. I'm here for the next 3 days. I am going to circle the entire park and visit a lot of little stops along the way. This is the first day, first stop, Quinault Lake. This area is what I'm hitting. I'm doing the Quinault Rainforest Trail, and my very first time in a rainforest, and it smells really good, I can tell you that right now. And right there is a really cool park map of the trail. So the Quinault Rainforest Loop Trail is short. It's only 0.9 miles, so not even a mile long, and 111 feet of elevation gain. So this is a pretty easy hike. It looks pretty gorgeous so far though, I'll tell you that. So technically we're not in the national park yet. We're in the Olympic National Forest, but eventually I'll be in the national park, and this will actually be my 21st national park to visit that I can cross off the list. I'm really excited because this national park looks like amazing from what I've seen, and what I've seen so far looks great. And as you can see, the roots of this particular tree is hugging on a tree stump on the ground, which is insane. I've never seen that before. I've seen them hug on rocks, but not tree stumps. Here's another example of a tree hugging a tree stump. Wow, that is just amazing. I've never seen that before. This really looks amazing so far. And you know, the whole rainforest, which I'm going to see tomorrow, is actually supposed to be even more spectacular than this one. So this is a nice little sample of what a rainforest is supposed to look like. Yeah, that was a really awesome short rainforest trail I just did now. Now let's go check out another attraction here at Quinault Lake. So I guess apparently this short trail leads you to the largest Sitka spruce tree in the world. Now that is one impressively large tree. Yeah, that's an extremely large tree. I couldn't get the whole thing in one frame. All right, time to check out some waterfalls now.